Alright, y'all. This is my VKT M39 Imperial Eagle stamp and my Yugo SKS. I am going to do the M39. My FFL opened it pretty much, so we are doing a partial unboxing. And this is her right here. And we got little wood chip type deal. I don't know what that says or what it means. Here she is. I'm sorry I don't have a better camera. That's it. Here's my first flaw. There's a little scrapage there. Looks like another one down here. But man, other than that, a couple dings. But shit, this looks pretty flipping good. Looks like most of the colors still there, bluing, whatever. There we go. Let's see, is that, I guess that's the Imperial stamping there. I don't know if anybody can confirm that. 1944, yeah, this camera sucks. I'm sorry, but that's the best I got. It's 1944 VKT. There's a D underneath the VKT, SA stamped on above it. Looks like a 11K or a IIK, or is that an R under the stamping there? But yeah, this thing is freaking beautiful. Nice dark wood. Look at that. It's got marker. I don't know what that is. I was hoping for some kind of, I guess, trench art you call it, but not marker. I mean, it's cool. It's fine. But yeah, this thing's nice. There's the, I'm gonna put it together, extension or whatever. Oh, there she is. Man, I got lucky because sister gave me a bike to sell and gave me a little extra cash to get this and the SKS. And I guess when I get, let's see if I can borrow a better camera. And pretty much this is just a tag that Classic sent with it, I guess. Yeah, just a couple scratches and dings. We got some here on the butt. But that's where you would think most of the damage was, huh? Would end up. Man, I was a little nervous. There's a little indent. Looks like where he stood it up all the time, I bet. But I was kind of worried. Not so much anymore. I don't know what the... There's like a little screw right here. Looks like a pin of some sort. Just wonder what that is. But yeah, I mean, I believe that's pretty good dark there. I mean, I'm no expert by far, no. I just started buying guns in November. And this is my first rifle ever. But yeah, I think that's pretty freaking solid. Can't wait to start cleaning her up. Hopefully Monday I'll take her to the field and shoot her. Well, I hope this helped anybody trying to decide if they want to buy one. And thanks for watching. Good luck if you do buy one. These things are freaking gorgeous. Later.